All right, today we got a deck that we're looking at. One of the first things we look for is whether or not the deck is bolted to the house, which in this case it is not. It's just nailed. Without the proper bolts, you can pull away from the house on there, and that's where you get a lot of deck collapses. Also, we're looking for flashing that would go over the top right here, so that the water comes up over the side and down. Then this deck also has a pretty good slope to it right in here. And if you look down at the bottom of the post is rotted out. So we have some sinking issues here. Now, also the building techniques, you can see there's a 1x material here. Spacing and how this is secured. You can see there's some issues with that. Like I say, our deck does slope. And then coming over here, we have this angle, and the boards come and sit on top of this, barely making connection here. I mean, that's hanging on by a 1/4 inch. And then we come over here, they just bolted this. It's not even connected real well there. And then we're gonna come back over here. Their board wasn't long enough, so they just bolted a second one to it. So we got some issues here.